again. So today I'll be sharing with you guys a very simple 1-minute microwave chocolate chip cookie. So stay tuned. So what we'll be needing is a 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, teaspoon of salt and vanilla essence, and 1 egg yolk, 3 tablespoons of flour, chocolate chip. I'm using chocolate chunk here, dark chocolate chunk, and a tablespoon of butter. So first of all, you melt this butter in the microwave till it's all melted completely. Once it all melted, then you add in the brown sugar to it, and then you add in the white sugar, the salt, and the vanilla essence, and then you mix it all till it all combine. Once it all combine like this, you add in the egg yolk, scrape this down and mix it all again. Add in the flour. At this point I actually combine this flour using a spatula. Then add in the chocolate chunk and fold it in nicely. Then you heat it in the microwave for 40 seconds to 60 seconds till it's cooked. So once it's cooked, it will look something like this. It's not actually a cookie that you expected it when you bake it in the oven, but at least it tastes exactly like a cookie. It's a bit cakey, but it's yummy. So how is it? Simple, right? So anyway, I hope you guys like this video and like this recipe, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So thank you y'all. Assalamualaikum.